Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you of all? Today's our video is how to land that first customer. First of all, we are open the Google Chrome and searching how to land that first customer. That is show we are open. The Google is give to how to land the first customer for your startup or small business. That is information how to land the first customer for your startup or small business. I am asking you the importance. If you build it, they will come. Not exactly. Wanting a customer isn't you must plan strategies and take your perspective customer to want the product or service your business offers. Here are some common questions we hear when we talk with new entrepreneurs and small business owners, especially those wanting their small business. That's our key point. My business is brand new. Where can I find customers? How to start us find customers? How you find the first 10 customers? What type of online presence will help people find my business? How can I get people to review my product? You have put in the legwork. We are here to help. Sorry. Whether you need 500 or 1000 customers, it can be selling. Here is how to land and keep customer. Create a landing page or full website and blog for your business. Establish a social media presence, network, email product. Thank you of Allah Hafiz of all.